1062.
For the ETF Trust, SPY.
So many of you might be familiar with the stock market, but you may not be familiar with options trading. And I think that options trading is important to understanding price movement on certain stocks. And so I think it's important to make these videos because I wish I had known about options trading when I first started trading stocks. So let's get started. Let's dive right into this. If we go back into December, I wanted to buy GoPro stock. GoPro stock was around $9 a share, but I did not want to pay $9 a share. So what I did was I sold put option contracts. I sold 6 contracts and I sold them with a strike price of $9 a share with an expiration of January 20th, 2017. I sold the contracts for a value of 72 cents a share. 6 contracts is 600 shares, and so I got $432. Now because I did a cash covered put, I had to put up $5,400. That is 600 shares at $9 a share. I had to put $5,400 in my brokerage account on hold to make this trade. Now fast forward to today. If we look at this today, the option contracts are about to expire on Friday and GoPro is above our strike price of $9 a share. If we look at my account, it shows a gain of $400. So whoever I sold those option contracts to has lost $400 right now, and that guy is probably not happy. It looks like I may not get assigned those shares. What happens when the stock is below the strike price of my contract? Well, then I get assigned those shares. And so I would like to demonstrate that to you. So I sold a couple more options contracts. I sold a put option for General Mills. I sold that for $1.79 per share. One contract is 100 shares, so I got $179 for that, and I put a strike price of $62.50 with an expiration date of January 20th, 2017. So looking at that, General Mills started going up, and it looks like we may not get assigned those shares. I may have no obligation to buy those shares. So I did another one. First, I had to free up some money, so I sold my Amazon stock off. I sold the Amazon stock off and I made about 400 bucks on that. And then I picked a controversial stock. This is Energy Transfer Partners. I sold one option contract with an expiration date of January 20th, 2017, 50 cents a share. So I got 50 bucks to buy 100 shares at $36 a share. So I had to set aside $3,600. So I'm probably going to get assigned those shares on Friday, and I'll show you what happens with that. So that is it for now. That is what I have as far as the stock market updates. There is a lot more to understanding the valuation on the options contracts. You may be wondering how I could sell the options contracts for $432 in December and have them become worth nothing now. And that comes with intrinsic and extrinsic valuation of the stock option. And that is not a straightforward answer. So as we move forward, we will go through the ways that you analyze the stock options and the way that people value them. That is it for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you enjoy your car.